2019 Ford Fusion has a pretty face, regardless of whether it's not the freshest average-size vehicle around. We named it our best car to buy 2013, and in that time it has watched Michael Phelps resign twice, LeBron James return to, and far from, Cleveland, and the Chicago Cubs win the World Series. It's a veteran. This year, the Fusion's styling is humbly changed and all models increase standard programmed crisis-breaking and vulnerable side screens. The Fusion lineup has likewise been paired to SE, SEL, titanium, and sport trim dimensions. The Fusion Hybrid can be requested in SE and SEL trim, while the module half-and-half Fusion Energi comes in titanium trim just and now has a 25-mile electric range. We may like the Fusion, however we're not entirely certain that Ford does any longer. The automaker is eliminating cars and hatchbacks for an all-hybrid, SUV, and pickup lineup. The Fusion is likely the last to get the boot, yet that may come when after the 2020 model year. Base Fusions utilize a 2.5-liter inline-4, while Turbo 4s in 1.5 and 2.0-liter sizes are discretionary and very suggested. The Fusion sports 325 horsepower turbocharged V6 makes it a hoot, however at $41,000 it's valued against some convincing extravagance vehicles. Most Fusions are front-wheel drive, yet higher power models send capacity to each of the four wheels. The Fusion Hybrid midpoints upward of 40 miles per gallon, paying little heed to how it's driven, as indicated by the EPA. Crossbreeds include a 2.0-liter inline-4 motor, matched to a 2-engine framework with a constantly factor-programmed transmission, CVT. A bigger lithium particle battery permits the Fusion Energi to go around 25 miles on power as it were. The Fusion's inside was redone 2 or 3 years prior. Most Fusions presently have a stupendous 8.0-inch touchscreen for infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto similarity just as an implicit Waze application. The Fusion's back seat lacks a few adversaries, particularly in headroom. The current year's Real Security update is welcome and it supports the Fusion's strong government and free accident test results. 2 or 3 minor updates this year neither add to nor cheapen the Fusion's looks. In advance, the Aston Martin S quad grille with its level chrome bars sticks around. Beneath, new strakes in the front sash house mist lights on higher trim Fusions yet are modest-looking spaces on S and SEs. The Fusion's stretched roofline inclines delicately into the sprightly trunk cover. The Fusion runs delicate with its utilization of chrome this year. SE and higher non-crossbreed Fusions have uncovered fumes pipes that improve the lively look. Inside, the Fusion gets new upholstery hues this year. Combination S cars have a dinky 4.2-inch screen encompassed by hard catches, however a 8.0-inch touchscreen is discretionary on the base model and standard somewhere else. Matte silver trim sets off the dash, yet the blend of natural shapes looks dated again. Some more keen opponents. There's a great deal to process with the 2019 Ford Fusion lineup. However, even the most unassuming models have a ride quality that is better than expected for a moderate-size car. We rate the Fusion lineup overall at 6 out of 10, yet high-control Fusions with greater turbo motors would justify another point.